Your refrigerator is probably the most utilized appliance in your kitchen, so keeping it clean and organized is essential. Here's everything you'll need. First, pull everything out and discard any foods that are spoiled or past their expiration date. Then, thoroughly wipe down the interior with a damp cloth or disinfecting wipes. And be sure to clean up any jars or bottles that will go back in the refrigerator. If the shelves are adjustable, move them around to make better use of the interior space. And use water-resistant liners and mats to contain spills. This will also make future cleanings easier. Group like items together as you place food back into the refrigerator. Also, consider keeping leftovers, ready-to-eat snacks, and popular drinks within easy reach on the top shelf. Condiments, butter, pasteurized juice, and soft cheeses are best stored in the door bins. Creamy salad dressings and hard cheeses belong on the middle shelf, while items like dairy and fresh squeezed juice should be kept on the bottom shelf if possible. Place fruits and hearty vegetables in the low humidity drawer, and store leafy greens and water-based fruits, like berries, in the high humidity drawer. To keep your refrigerator fresh, place an open box of baking soda inside to help absorb any lingering odors. Now you're ready to clean and organize your refrigerator with confidence. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.